Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Thirsty Affiliates for WordPress link management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Thirsty Affiliates. Locate the Thirsty Affiliates plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. After activation, find Thirsty Affiliates in the left sidebar. Click on it to access the Thirsty Affiliates dashboard. To add a new affiliate link, click on Add New Link. In the link title field, enter a name. Next, input the destination URL in the affiliate URL field. Optionally, add a description in the link description area. You can also select a category for better organization later. If desired, upload an image that represents the affiliate link. Once all information is entered, click on the Add Link button. Your new affiliate link will now appear in the Thirsty Affiliates dashboard. To edit an existing link, simply click on the link title. Make any necessary changes and save them by clicking Update Link. To insert your affiliate link into a post, open the post editor. Click on the Thirsty Affiliates button above the editor. A pop-up will show your list of affiliate links. Select the link you want to insert and click Insert Link. The link will appear in your post editor. To insert redirects automatically, go to Settings under Thirsty Affiliates. Customize the settings to match your preferences. This includes link cloak settings and redirection options. Once configured, save your changes. To track link performance, go back to the Thirsty Affiliates dashboard. Here, you'll find analytics for each of your affiliate links. Review the performance metrics to optimize your strategy. With these steps, you've successfully set up Thirsty Affiliates for WordPress link management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.